This video might make you puke. This is the world's grossest apartment. This is what 25 years of smoking does to an apartment. So you can imagine what it did to this tenant's lungs. And before everybody says, oh, this was the landlord's responsibility to get it cleaned up, my corporation just acquired this building and this person gave us the keys. So this is how we kind of got the unit. So it was the previous landlords that allowed them to live like this. This is the most grossest unit on YouTube. Check out those picture frames there where you could see where there was pictures. Just disgusting. We can get a product called Kilts and you can prime it and get this all out. But in reality, please send us some matches so we can just burn this unit to the ground. Just joking. Hopefully you're not my insurance people listening. Ew, gross. It's just so yellow and gross. All right. Check out some other videos. Bye.